That's what he's been waiting
That's what he's been
on.
waiting for, huh?
Is it talking Spider-Man?
Let me see, how does he talk?
Did he do that? Did he know how to do it?
Oh, yeah, you see, I brought him with me. But I said, it's not for you, it's for another little boy. He said, but we can share.
He had it figured out. It didn't take long, huh?
I'm going to tell you, I swear he can read. I bought him a tape, Toy Soldiers. He opened it up, and I thought, well, let me tell him what it is. He goes, Toy Soldiers on it. Phil goes, I think you read that.
Kids are astute.
It's Spider-Man.
Look, turn it over.
What is that?
Oh.
Let's see, show it to me.
Show it to Nene.
Oh, you're so pretty.
I didn't take any pictures. I did the video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we get the tape for you?
He was so, every time he got a present, he goes, this one's for you, Nene.
Spider-Man's right.
Trying to get Phil a present every time. He just wanted Phil to open a
Oh, well,
present.
that's mine. Do I get to take that home? No, he didn't know.
Oh, look at that Spider-Man.
Listen to him, please.
I
What?
don't think there's any left.
Oh, I doubt if they like beer.
Why?
I don't even know.
house. She's in my choking behind me. Would you like that? Hey,
What you
you
got?
want this one? That's your last one.
Phil says,
What?
oh, it looks great.
Is it finished?
No. They put the, Nicholas's room is finished except for the door is not on, but it's there. And, our room, they haven't put the carpet down, but Phil just likes to sit in the bathroom and look at it. It's like, man, this is a nice bathroom. He just loves the bathroom. I'm like, Phil, it's a bathroom, you know? It's a bathroom.
Did you work last night, Phil?
Oh, look at that. That's a pretty shirt.
You gonna work the graveyard or the mid-shift or what?
Joel and Shane present.
1:30 to 10 this morning. Yeah.
Here.
You're kidding me.
That's a Shane.
I work at a plant where we work shift work. But it's from 12.
He wants to see y'all.
Start at 7 o'clock. So I heard 2 to 10. I said, well,
There we go.
What is that?
Just act natural. This is Miss Doyale right here. And of course we know Mama. Y'all can just kind of wave too if you want. And Mrs. Caslot. Okay. And we're in the bunkie. The nursing home in the bunkie. Miss Doyale, how old are you again?
I'm 87, but I'll be 88 March the 4th.
March the 4th, okay. All right. Y'all like to see yourselves on video? Y'all like to? Yeah. You like to see yourselves on video? Yeah, everybody likes that.
Si ça le prend.
Oh, it will.
Vilain comme c'est.
So I said she might be a little too ugly for being on there. Come on.
Ça va passer la vie.
Oh, that's a shade. Who's that?
Blue.
He's so